Okay guys, hello. For tab 2232, as we all know, we are going too slow as of the moment. So we need to speed things up. Okay. Mostly sa residential areas, like for example, this specific map, yung mga problema lang natin pag ganito is yung mga shifted labels or yung mga missing large area of sidewalk. As we all know, hindi na natin kailangan i-label yung mga missing sidewalk, which is mga maliliit na nasa backyard ng mga buildings or nasa front yard mismo. Kapag maliliit na, pag-iisa lang naman, we can simply ignore for them. Let us try not to over-edit. But in some cases, we have a large area of missing sidewalk. So for those specific errors, we need to fix them. Okay, so for this map, I have an example here. As you can see, this part right here has a missing sidewalk along with the planting strips. And this part right here is a shifted label. And as you all see, medyo malayo na siya para sa correct position niya. So, how can we do things much easier for them? Okay? First, you have to fan out para sa shifted part kung saan sila nagsimula mag-shift. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan i-delete lahat or ayusin lahat. Fan out kung saan siya nagsimulang mag-shift. Like for example, for this specific map, as you can see, yung part na to, dito siya nagsimulang mag-shift. Okay? So first, you have to cut and delete for that. Iwan lang natin yung mga areas which is okay na. Okay? Para hindi na tayo mahirapan or hindi na tayo mag-over-edit. Now, we have to redraw. Okay? Let us use filling tool, and for you to utilize the filling tool, make sure na nakasnap ka na maigi sa mga gusto mong snap. Like for example, for this case, what I usually do is ino-overlap ko yung label ko sa area na kung saan ko gusto mag-snap. Okay, like example here, this part right here as well, para walang gaps and wala tayong errors right after matapos natin yung part na yan. Here as well. And there we go. And let us click E, and then click lang natin sa loob ng area na kung saan natin gustong i-fill. Okay? So simultaneously naayos ko yung part nung sidewalk na yan. Now, we have a missing planting strips on this part right here. Okay? So, para maayos natin yan ng mas madali, first, we have to click planting strips attribute, and let us make sure na nag-snap tayo sa loob ng gusto nating i-label na part. Like for example, this case dito. Okay, make sure nyo na wala or hindi tumatagas yung label ninyo, and make sure na napaloob mismo sa kung saan nyo gusto mag-snap. Okay? Right after we done that, we just have to click space. Okay? No need to use filling tool for this. You just have to click space to fill those missing areas. Okay? Just click space. And then as you can see, mafi-fill na po natin yung area niya nang walang problema. Ayan. Ganun lang kadali. Hindi na natin kailangan or hindi na tayo kailangan maghirap pa para sa mga ganyang area. Same goes with this one. All we need to do first is to label sidewalks. Make sure na nakasnap. Ganyan. This is for the large area of missing sidewalks, but for the small areas or small missing sidewalk, we can simply ignore for them. And by the way, I'm just using letter F and letter S tool. Let's label it like this. we have a 6 pixel error allowance. So, no need to think about accuracy. Okay, napakalaki ng ating allowance para problemahin nyo yun. Right after we do label our sidewalk, we just have to click letter E, click space, and then click sa loob ng area na gusto nyo i-fill. And then, if tama yung pagkakasnap ninyo sa mga bahay-bahay, as you can notice, isang bagsakan lang, kaya na nating i-label yung ganyang kalaking mga sidewalks. Okay, next is the planting strips. Again, click the planting strips attribute. Make sure na yung label ninyo is nasa loob nung kinokonikan nyo or yung gusto nyong pagkonikan. And then same goes with this road. Make sure na nasa loob siya, and then let us click space para i-fill yung area na yan. And as simple as that, we're done with this part right here. And that only took us a few minutes to fix. Okay? And right after nyan, if meron pa tayong errors sa mga driveways, we can simply click F3 to turn off the to turn off the sidewalk and to focus on the driveways. As we all know, as we all see, there is a planting strips in this area. Okay, so yung gagawin lang natin is to cut, select, change to driveway, and then fill the remaining missing driveway. And then let us check kung meron pa mga missing driveways. If none, then you can click again, or you can click F4 para ibalik lahat ng mga labels. And as you can see, tapos na tayo para sa area na yan. And that would be all.